Well, with the British weather being rain, sun, shine, snow, we needed another space for the children, another shelter for the children, for the parents, and it's really become a multifunctional space for us that we can use all year round. We are so happy to have this gazebo in the school. We use it for so many different reasons. Teachers come out and bring them out and talk to them, maybe have a little class, mini sessions out here. Children use it to socialise, to sit, they use it for reading, they use it to play board games. Parents use it to stay and to chat and also just wait around maybe when it's raining. So it's so multi-purpose and we're really grateful for it. The installation was the biggest surprise for us. It was done within the day. The team were in, out, and the children were ready to use it by the end of the day, which was absolutely fantastic. Everyone, the whole community, and are so thankful to Pentagon Play for this wonderful gazebo.
Keep reading, Dexter, keep reading.